This is the Blackberry Curve 3G 9300 and 9330 Take Apart Repair Guide. First step you're going to need to do is to remove the back cover and the memory card. You'll now need to remove the two screws shown in the video using a Torx T6 screwdriver. Alright, now flip the phone over and remove the lens with a safe open pry tool. This is held in place with a small bit of adhesive. Now remove the bezel using a safe open pry tool and run along the outside edges, releasing the clips. With the front bezel removed, you can now remove two more T6 screws located above the LCD screen. Gently lift the LCD screen to gain access to the connector. This is a pop connector. Use a safe open pry tool to gently lift up on it. The LCD screen has now been removed and can be replaced.